Today I'm going to show you how to make prosciutto wrapped French green beans. Always start by rinsing your beans and washing your hands. We're going to trim the ends off our beans, so you want to line them up on the cutting board and trim off the ends. And then I want to put them in 4 equal piles. Then you're going to take a sheet of your prosciutto and roll the beans into the prosciutto and put them on the pan seam side down. Next, we'll place them in the oven at 400 degrees. While they're baking, we'll start the glaze. We're going to mince some garlic. And in a pan over medium-high heat, we'll add clarified butter and some brown sugar. And then we'll add our minced garlic. We'll whisk these ingredients together until they start melting. It will not be a smooth glaze, but everything's getting infused in the garlic, and we'll use that to glaze the green beans. I'll glaze the green beans about every 5 minutes, so as they're baking, you'll continue to use the glaze. So 5 minutes has gone by, and so we're going to glaze them again. And keep glazing the beans about every 5 minutes for about 25 minutes. So when they're done, you just take them out. And we're going to finish them off with gorgonzola and balsamic vinegar. I love using a high quality balsamic vinegar, and you can just take a little drizzle over the top of each little bundle. Perfection.
Super good.